Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have discussed about the class attribute and few div elements, and we have learned how to move the all the elements in the div container to the center. All these things we have learned in the previous video. In today's session we are going to learn about the div element, how to add class attribute to the remaining HTML elements, and few CSS properties called color and background color. Okay. Here, what is a div element actually? This div element acts as a container to the HTML file. Let us take a scenario that you have went to any shopping mall. You will take a cart, right? You will take a cart. Let us assume this cart as a div element. Let us assume this cart as a div element. Now, when you will go to shopping, you will collect, when you go to the shopping, you will collect all the items, whatever you need. So, these items are known as elements. In our scenario, we assume all these items as elements. Elements means like H1 element, paragraph element, button element, any of these. Okay. Now we are going to put all these elements into the cart. This cart is nothing but a container. This cart is nothing but a container. Here we have done all these things up to now, right? So this is about the div. When you move the container wherever you want, it will move from one place to another place, or you want to add or you can remove all the things in the cart itself, right? So this is about the div tag, where div tag acts as a container. You can add or remove all the elements from the container. In this session, we are going to manipulate the color of the text which is in the HTML file. For example, as we observed in the previous video, we have written the heading element as GSK groups. Now we are going to change this text color to the red. Okay, manipulating the colors of the HTML file with the CSS style sheet. Okay, here we have few CSS properties called text align, color, and background color. So what are the values for that? So text alignment means left or right, center, whatever it may be. Like color means it comes to different colors like black, red, green, many are there. So background color same as the color. So values will be same as the color values like black, red, green. Here to do that thing, we need to add the class attribute to the heading element. We'll add the class attribute to the heading element also. In previous video, we have added this class attribute to the div element, right? So now we are going to add this class attribute to the each of element inside the div container. Okay, attribute name is called class and the value is called main heading. With this, we are going to change the heading element color. Like this, remaining elements are also in the same manner. We have to change it. Okay, let's do it in the VS Code. Here, what we have did yesterday, have made all the HTML elements to the center using the div element, right? Now we are going to add the class attribute to the heading element and paragraph element and also to the button element. We are going to change text colors of these elements. Add class here, class attribute. Let's say this class attribute as main heading. Okay, I'll give name as name heading. Same like that, whenever coming to paragraph element, add the class attribute, name the paragraph element value as paragraph. Okay, here in this value you can put whatever you want. Okay, here I am giving class value as button element. We are going to change the color of the heading. Okay, go to CSS part, and what is the syntax of the CSS? Put a dot. Okay, put dot, and after the dot, what we have to write? We have to write the value of the attribute. Value of the attribute. So copy this value and paste it here. By that, you will not write any mistake. Okay. Then, so I want to change this text color to red. Okay. I'll write the color property in the CSS. The text color of the heading element will changes. So I want to change it to red. So I'll press here enter. See here in the heading element, the text color of the heading has changed. I want to change the paragraph element color also. So I'll copy this one and paste it here. After the dot, you need to paste the attribute value. After pasting, same property, we will use color here. So I'll change it to blue. I'll change it to blue. Okay. The paragraph element has changed to blue. So same like to the button element also. I want to change the button element text color. So copy this attribute value and paste it here. So write here color. To change the color of the text, we need to write the CSS property called color, right? So light blue. Okay. See here, it has changed. Okay. This is about the text color. How to change the text color of a HTML element using the CSS property. Okay. Now we are going to change the background color of the text element. Okay. Like heading, paragraph and the button element. Okay. How you are going to do that? Same in the CSS part, you are going to add the background color property. So I want to change the background color of the text to black. So I am writing here black. So it changes to black. So same like that, we are going to change for the paragraph also. And same like that, I want to change the background color of the button element also. So right here background color brown. Okay, we'll select brown. The background color of the button element is also changed. So this is about the CSS text color and the background color properties. Okay, if you have doubts regarding the video, join the discussion tunnel right now. Thank you.